Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Oktoberfest is the perfect time to surprise your customers with a special deal. Let's set up a limited time discount in Shopify. Before going to the tutorial, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify profit hacks. For this, I have used Next Discount app which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have attached the link to this app in the description box. Please check it out and follow along. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. And choose the discount type as discount code and add a discount code. For now, I'm adding it as October 30 as my code here. Now I can just set a percentage discount offer 30% with a camping amount as 300. I'm setting for now my discount should be applicable for all the products. You can also set it for specific collection or a specific product. Now, I'm using it for the all products. And I can also set some minimum purchase requirement here. For now, I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement. I can also set some customer eligibility here with all customers, or a customer has a tag, or only for first order, something like that. For now, I'm adding the offer should be available applicable only for the customers having a tag called VIP. And I can also limit the number of times this discount can be used in total or limit to one use per customer. And here I can set the start date and end date through which this discount is active. Like we can all set up it for only one day on Oktoberfest or 1 week or 10 days or something like that. And we can also combine this discount with the existing discounts like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. After this, adding all the necessary details, I'm saving the changes. After saving it, I'm just checking whether my discount code is got activated from the discount section. Now you can see that my discount code October 30 is got activated. Now I'm checking the customer with VIP tag from the customer section. Now you can see that this customer is having a customer tag called VIP. Now we can check this setup in our online store. Now I am adding the product to the cart, adding my code October 30 and applying it. Now you can see that it's not applied because we have already set up this code should be available for the VIP customers. So I'm adding the customer details of the VIP customer here, and you can see that the 300, the capping amount is deducted from the MRP with this October 30 as the code. Now your Oktoberfest discount is live. You are ready to delight the customers. If you find this useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. While you are waiting for, check the app link from the description and try this out in your store. Thanks for watching.